Editing your DNS. To edit your DNS records, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the drop-down at the top right-hand corner of your account. Then click Domains. Step 2. Click the Edit icon under the DNS column next to the domain. Note, your domain must be pointing to the WebStarts name servers, ns1.webstarts.com and ns2.webstarts.com. In order to manage DNS records at WebStarts, new domains registered with WebStarts point to our name servers by default. Step 3. Edit existing records by selecting the ellipsis icon next to the record, then update the fields that display. Then click Save. Delete a record by clicking the ellipsis icon next to the record. Then click Delete. To add a new record, click Add Record, then select the record type and enter other parameters as needed. Then click Save. Note, any change you make to your DNS can take some time to resolve. Usually, you will see these changes within an hour, but it can take up to a full 48 hours to fully propagate.